Picture this. Your garden herbs could have paid the rent. Seriously. In Matthew 23:23, Jesus calls out people for meticulously tithing mint dill cumin down to the last sprig while missing the bigger stuff. Justice, mercy, faithfulness. Sounds odd today until you think like a cook. Mint brightens, dill preserves, cumin gives depth and warmth. Back then, those flavors mattered. They were everyday staples, valuable enough that even the smallest harvest was worth noting. The point Jesus makes isn't about spices. It's about priorities. Don't obsess over the tiny, check-the-box stuff and lose sight of the weightier things that actually feed people: fairness, kindness, faith. So next time you sprinkle cumin or tear fresh mint over a dish, remember, small things can be treasured, but don't let them distract you from what truly matters. Want more bite-sized food history and faith? Subscribe to Cooking with Kimberly for more foods of the Bible. See you in the kitchen.